Hello, my name is Nguyễn Văn Giang. I like playing video games in my free time. It helps me relax. After studying, I enjoy strategy and adventure game. They make me think and fit the I usually play game at home. It requires and I have our computer. Sometimes I play on my phone while lying down. I play game after I finish my homework. On weekend, I play more, especially in the evening. I often play with my friend online. We talk while playing. Sometimes we computer together. I guess Scott, when I play game, I feel happy and excited. It helps my voice street. It gives my positive energy. Thank you for listening. Goodbye.